So it's one of those days. But I'm having a very slow day. It's 11:15, and honestly, do you have those days where no motivation, no nothing? I need to tidy. I need to tidy. I need to tidy. Then when my house turns into a state, my mind turns into a state, and I just can't focus. I cannot focus, okay? So it's gonna be a cleaning day today. I've already put in a few loads of washing for today. I think I have like 1 or 2 loads. So we're gonna do that now. I've got a new vacuum. So come unbox the vacuum with me. Got a new mop. Let's unbox those together, have a little clean, and hopefully that will help declutter our minds. Usually it works for me. I need change sometimes. Like when I'm stuck in a rut, I do need that change to then help me like find a new perspective on the situation and all of that good stuff. So anyways, like I said, reset day with me, come clean with me, come declutter, help me feel better, and yeah. Unboxing time. I have the I have my vacuum. It's just, I don't know if you guys care about all of this, but here's just a little cheap Hoover, because you know we ain't got money to be wasting money on like 100, 200 pound vacuums. This vacuum, how much was it? I will leave the link in the description box below. I purchased this on Amazon. It only cost me £25. So we will have a whiz around the house today. And yeah, if this is worth the buy, I will leave it in the description. If not, it's not going to be there, okay? I'm not going to put description to some crusty old, dusty old vacuum, okay? That's just stupid. What age in your life did things like vacuums, and I've also got, because I've got a mop downstairs as well that it's one of those spinning mops. I'm so excited to use it. Like, then I work a full-time job. I've been telling everyone in my job, oh my god, I cannot wait to use my vacuum and my mop. Like, let me know in the comments what age you guys finally realised that household items like this make you excited. Because I'm 23 now, I'm not long to turn 23, and like household items would excite me before, but I feel like it's been about a year now because I moved out of my mum's house. It's been like a year now, and before things like that would get me excited, but because I wasn't the one predominantly cleaning the house. It didn't excite me that much because I ain't cleaning that much. Now, I'm the cleaner. Yes, I do the cooking, and yes, I do the cleaning. Okay? But in honesty, I don't do everything. I have a partner, it's 50-50. But, you think he could touch my vacuum? You think he could touch my mop? No, not until I use it, baby. I'd say the age for me was about like 22. Let's unbox this first. I've been rambling. Let's actually unbox. Listen guys, I'm really not trying to draw myself out, but I have my work cut out for me. So I will see you guys in a bit. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting so I've cleared this section. Obviously I'm gonna sort the bed, whatever. But I've just got this Glade. I've had it for a little while. Obviously waiting until I get my Hoover. So I'm just gonna chuck some of this crap down. It smells so good. So good. And then give a little Hoover. But I'm also, so I'm gonna use this throughout the house. I didn't use it in the first clip, so I'm going to re-go over this outside area with this. And yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. I'm outside in it. Right outside. Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Work, 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 work. See me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirty. I need to eat and I need to do the kitchen, 2 flights of stairs, the downstairs landing, and the front room. I'll do the short today of a mini vlog. So I will include what I eat in there, but I need to do some shopping, so I don't even know what I'm doing for lunch.
That I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You send me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah.
I said I was actually going to come down here to originally the plan was to make food and then tidy the kitchen. So I've tidied the kitchen obviously as I'm down here, but my pasta's ready. I'm hungry, and to help when I'm cleaning and I need motivation, it's very hard to stay motivated if you don't eat because you don't have the energy to. So I am gonna stop to eat, hopefully. No, I will pick back up after because I've literally only got to tidy the rest of the kitchen, do the rest of the mopping, so I've literally just got to quickly hoover the floor, mop the floor, and then continue with the stairs. I'm sorted. I'm feeling much better. As I'm cleaning, I've already made a plan in my head of what I'm going to do tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just rambling because I'm hungry, so I'll catch you guys.